Welcome to your new modern tropical paradise in El Salvador, presented by Alvarenga Tours, your partner in relocation and home building. From your first step inside, the harmony of wood, stone, and tropical greenery paints the perfect picture of the life you've imagined. Come inside to a bright open space. The kitchen's stone island, quality appliances, and lush views make every day feel inspiring. Dine in a sunlit space where natural light and refined design create the perfect setting for memorable gatherings. In the living room, comfort meets connection. Open the glass doors and your backyard instantly becomes part of the conversation. Your master suite opens to the pool and features a serene, spa-like bath framed by lush garden views, a haven of pure relaxation. Your guests will delight in a stylish, well-appointed bedroom, complete with its own private bathroom for ultimate comfort and privacy. Thoughtful touches, soft lighting, and serene views make it a space they'll never want to leave. The third bedroom is designed with versatility in mind, easily transforming into a home office, creative studio, or a private guest retreat. With ample light and thoughtful design, it's a space that adapts beautifully to your lifestyle. Outdoors, a shimmering pool and tropical landscaping create a private oasis. The outdoor area offers distinct spaces for dining, lounging, and entertaining, all designed to flow effortlessly together, making every moment, from quiet mornings to lively gatherings, feel unforgettable. With Alvarenga Tours, your dream of living in El Salvador is closer than you think. From relocation to building your perfect home, we make it happen.